Hey, hey, hey. I can't dance, y'all. What's up, y'all? This your girl Eating with Pooh. And today we eating nachos. Yeah, we're gonna be eating some nachos, y'all. I'm finna make these nachos with some I know y'all like, what? You with spicy food? Yeah. I'm gonna try these nachos, y'all. Let's get into the video. Yo, we back with this video. As y'all already know what we eating. I'm sorry about my lighting, y'all. I didn't have the ring light in the kitchen. But we finna eat these nachos, y'all. I don't eat tomatoes, but thumbnail. So I got a taco too. I had made a soft taco for y'all. But yeah, I have one purpose and one purpose only. I am so excited because I wasn't even gonna record. I wasn't in the recording mood today. Damn, that's spicy. But you guys, my sister dropped her first YouTube video. You guys, go support her. She is hilarious. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek, but I really want y'all to go over there and watch her video and tell her I sent you. Tell her I sent you. Let's watch the clip.
With the black ramen noodles. Okay, I got you. Okay, cut that on. Okay, but let's stocking cap on now. What did the stock? They didn't even have it on that long. They just gave this nigga some fake waves. Oh, I could say nigga. Bleep that out. They just gave...
Yeah, I know. I was laughing too. She is like naturally funny. So please go over there and support her page. But y'all gotta start telling me. Y'all gotta start telling me when I got stuff on my mouth. Just some little nachos, y'all. Little nachos. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for her, y'all. Like I feel like a proud parent over here. I legit feel like a proud parent. Sorry. I think she'll be a good addition to the YouTube family. I hope y'all ready for her. I legit hope y'all ready for her. I'm making a whole video because I'm so proud of her. Right? I watched her video 3 times. I would have did a reaction video, but she was like, I want to see your natural reaction. I want to see your real reaction. So we was on FaceTime when I was watching it. I'm so happy for her. And on that note, I have to, this video is dedicated to her. The whole video is just dedicated to her. But, you guys, do not subscribe to my channel if you don't genuinely support me. Like, I don't want you to subscribe because you think that's gonna get you a chance with me. I don't want you to subscribe to me because you think I'm cute. I want your genuine support. And if you don't genuinely support me, then don't come to my page. Like, I don't really too much care for the fake love. That is all on that subject. Congrats, sis! I'm so happy for you. Like, her first video, and it was funny as hell. Like, I was just not expecting it to be that damn funny. And she was like, sis, I'm laughing watching myself. Like, I'm laughing at my damn self. And she was so scared, y'all. It's okay. It's out there. Now the world gonna take it. And they're gonna accept you. Because you're awesome. You're awesome. Now I went to the grocery store today. It took everything in me. Oh, for those of you that don't know, I was doing this challenge where I don't spend money all weekend. I failed. I spent $2 because I needed some lettuce. So I failed. Did pretty good. I only spent $2 all weekend. So I'm proud of myself. But nose starting to burn. Jesus. I was at the grocery store and this older lady, I don't know how the fuck she seen me from all the way across from the store. Old lady came up to me. Oh my gosh, your eyes are so beautiful. You have some beautiful eyes. It's like, thank you. And I just want some lettuce, lady. Oh my gosh. I'm like, I know she ain't spot me because hell, I ain't nobody yet. I found that to be funny. But sis, congrats to you, man. This whole video for you. I feel like a proud mama that dropped out of school and want better for my child, and my child walking across the stage, graduating. That's how I feel right now. She didn't do nothing but drop her first video on YouTube. But I'm so proud of her. Like, I'm so happy. Like, the love and support she gives to me and the advice, like, it's priceless. Oh my God. This is hot. I'll probably tap out. Shit, I should use regular Doritos. Y'all know I don't fuck with no spicy shit. Y'all know I don't mess with spicy food. I gotta edit that out. Damn. But we ate our taco. Good thing, yeah. Food ain't falling out of my mouth today. I'm giving you stud vibes, huh? I look like a straight stud right now. Like I'm leaned over, eating my food. Like I look like a straight stud. I'm not gay. Shout out to the LGBTQ community. Hope I said it right. Shout out to them. I have plenty of gay friends, but I ain't gay. But I'm getting these vibes right now. I look like a butch out here. I'd be a sexy ass stud. I would. I legit would. If y'all want to see me dressed like a boy, just for the fun of it, we got some men clothes in my house. They too damn big. They ain't my clothes. But I'll put them on for y'all. I don't know where the fuck that's coming from. You know what? Look, back to my sister. Congrats! Congrats to my motherfucking sister. That's shit that come to my head. Y'all know what I should have had? Some ice cream. This shit would have been fire with some ice cream. Shit hot. Y'all probably like, them Doritos ain't even that hot. They hot. They fucking hot. I hope y'all enjoy her video. This isn't meant to be a long video. I'm proud of myself, y'all. I have not broken a nail, not one. I'm so happy. Look at God. Your girl ain't broke a nail. And if you know me, I break a nail within 3 days of me getting my nails done. No cap. Make sure y'all go over there to her page and tell her. Her link will be in the description box. Make sure y'all tell her Pooh sent you, and she sent me. So yeah, go watch her video, man. Watch her video. She the greatest. And I'm done with this. I dodged it. I'm gonna do another seafood video sometime this week. I just don't feel like spending all that money for no crabs, man. I be wanting to cry every time I buy them joints. Like, do anybody else get to the register and just want to cry? And then when they sit down and do their mukbangs, they enjoy it. They don't even be thinking about the price. They just be like, man, this shit good. I'll do that. Yes, I lick my fingers. I'm not. Damn it, I just said I didn't drop no food out my mouth. soon as I start. I'm done talking with food in my mouth. My mama taught me better. But I don't just want y'all to just sit here and just watch me. You know, that's weird. Damn it, I gotta vacuum out this room again. You guys, I'm out of here. Make sure y'all go over there to her page. Go subscribe to her link. Go show her some love. Go get her to 100 subs. Get her to 100 subs. Peace. It's your girl Eating with Pooh. And I'm signing out. I love each and every last one of y'all that really, truly support me. Bruh! Who the fuck? Bro, I just did a whole fucking video with sour cream on my shirt. Goodbye.